my website. Okay, I am going to share screen. All right, can you guys see the document on the screen?
Yeah.
All right, so I will start with Unit 8. That's this page here. Any questions on the first page, which is numbers 1 through 6?
Well, I have a question real quick before I start asking questions about this.
Mm-hmm.
We're not actually going to take a final, right?
Correct. This is the
Okay.
closest thing we're getting to the final.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, number 2, 2A. I kind of like that.
Okay. Okay, and let me, okay, so there was the mathematical way and the shortcut way. Which way would you like me to explain?
Shortcut.
The shortcut way was you take this number and the denominator and you multiply them together, and that's it. So x to the 2 over, what is 6 times 3?
18.
18, and then you just reduce, so it's x to what power?
What number 9?
The 9th.
Yep, and then it says, that is, so they want it in this form, rational form.
So that's already the final answer?
That's your final answer.
Okay. I did it wrong.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Do you kind of remember doing this before? Like,
I don't know.
kind of?
I mean, no, yeah, I kind of remember.
Okay. All right. Any others from this page?
Yeah, 3A.
3A.
Yeah.
Okay, so for 3A, this is the one where you rewrite it like this. You tell me, Cooper, what would go right here in the index, the 2 or the 3?
Wait, in the little like pocket?
Yeah.
The 2?
And the power would be a
3.
3. And then you would work it out by doing this piece here first. The square root of 16. What's the square root of 16?
4.
4, and it's 4 raised to what power?
The 3rd.
The 3rd, and what does that come out to be?
64.
64. So 64 is your final answer.
Just 64? Wait, so why didn't we do anything with the 2 in the index?
We did. We did it right here when we took the square root. What is...
because it's just a 2, so it's just
right.
Square root. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. For example, if you were to do the square root of 25, it would just be 5. The radical's gone, correct?
Yeah.
And you're right. That little 2, we never write it, but it is there.
Yeah, okay.
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 That was a good one.
I'm trying to see if I have any.
Nick?
I remember how to do the 6.
Did Nick leave? Okay, you remember how to...
No, he's still in here. He's still in
here.
Okay. Nick, do you have it printed yet already?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So do you have any questions from the first page?
No, I do not.
Okay. How about 6? Cooper said he's good with 6. How about 6A or B? Do you guys remember how to do those?
Yeah.
Okay. So
remember how to do a lot of this.
I have a question. 5C. 5C.
5C and B, or just C?
No, just wait, would it be? Yeah, you could do B2.
Okay. All right. So on B, we multiply the coefficient. So what's negative 5 times 7?
Negative 35.
Negative 35 times the square root of, now you can break them down before or after. I'm just going to multiply because it might come out to be a perfect square. What's 12 times 3?
36.
36, and that's good because it is a perfect square.
Yeah,
So we have
6.
negative 35 times what?
6.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then you multiply those together and you get negative some number.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you do the same thing here, but instead of multiplying, you divide. So what's 6 divided by 3?
2.
2 times the square root of, what's 45 divided by 5?
9.
And then is 9 a perfect square? This is 9 a
Yeah.
perfect square? Yep. So you end up with 2
2
times,
times 3, which is 6.
which is 6. Good. All right. Any others from this page?
Well, this isn't a question, but what it is. But I mean, like, on number 2B, so all you'd have to do is just switch it around, right? Just like,
Switch which one around, the first one or the second one?
well, number 3B,
Oh, 3B.
Like,
Yes.
since you just have to, so it'd just be 27 to the 3 over second.
You mean 2 over 3?
Yeah, 2 over 3. My bad. 2 over 3.
If they asked you to write it in exponential form, yes. But what they're asking you to do here is simplify. So this is where you write it like, do you see this one here that I circled in blue earlier? You do it the same way you did that one. So what you're going to do is the cube root of 27 and then square it at the end. So you do the cube root first. Is 27 a perfect cubed?
I don't know. Is it? I can't really figure it out.
So that's 9 times 3, and 9 is what?
27. Yeah. My bad. Yeah, 9.
Okay.
I know.
So what's 3?
Oh yeah, 3. My bad. I was tripping. 3.
It's okay, and it's 3 because it's 3 times 3 times 3, correct?
Times 3. Yeah.
So it looks like 3 is the final answer, but we're still raising it to what power?
The second.
To the second power. So 3 squared equals.
Yeah, that's what I got. So it's just 9.
Yes.
Okay, that's what I got.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good with that page.
Okay. Any others? Nick?
On that
anything?
page?
Yeah, Nick, any from that page?
No, I'm good.
You're good? Okay. So next page, 7 through 14. Any questions from that page?
No. I remember all of this stuff.
Do you? Do you remember it? How about 7? 7 looks a little confusing. You guys okay with 7?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is kind of tough. Wait.
What was that?
I said that one is kind of tough. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay. So we distribute the exponent, and we can do that because it's multiplication. So we end up with 8 to the 2/3 times x to the, remember you multiply powers. There is a little power of 1 there. Remember I always made you guys write it? 1 times 2/3 is 2/3. What's 2 times 2/3? I'll do that over here. What's 2 times 2/3?
Wait. I'm lost. Where's the power of 1 go?
On the 8. I don't know if you can see it. I wrote it in there really small right there.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. I see it.
Okay, and we multiply powers. When you're raising, for example, if you have a power to a power, you multiply. So we multiplied 1 times 2/3 and got 2/3.
Okay. And then 2 times 2/3.
Yes, is what? Nothing
Okay.
reduces, so it is 4/3.
Yeah.
Okay. So x to the 4/3, and then we look at the answers. They wrote it in radical form. So I'm going to simplify some stuff here. And it says select all that are equivalent. So there may be more than one right answer. I'm going to simplify this first. Do you remember how to do that? We did it on the previous page.
Yeah, I put A for 1, right? Because it's like because it takes the 3, puts it in an index, and then the 2 for the power, and then leaves it all there still, right?
Yes, you
Okay.
are correct. That is one of them.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
good. And let's simplify the 8 to the 2/3. What is 8? Do you remember how to simplify that?
Yeah.
Yes.
You make it you make it the cube root of 8, and then square it by 2.
Square it, and then a 3 here. The
Where?
cube root right there, the 3 goes in the pocket. Do you see it?
Oh, yeah. The 3
Okay.
yeah.
And 8 is a perfect cube. What's the cube root of 8?
2.
2. So then my answer is not 2, but 2 raised to what power?
The second.
2 second, which is
4.
4. Okay, so it looks like C and D might be possible answers. X to the 4/3, how do I rewrite that one?
How do we you write it 4, and then wait, X to the 4/3?
Yes, right here, X to the 4/3.
The 3 would go in the index, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And then 4th power means I have how many X's?
4.
Do I have enough to take out if it's the index is 3?
Yeah.
Yep, and how many do I circle at a time?
2.
I circle right here. This tells me how many to circle.
Oh, 3.
So one whole set's coming out. So I end up with 4x cube root of x. This one was a bit intense. 4x cube root of x. So what letter is that? C or D?
D.
D is 4 cube root of x to the 4th. I have 4x cube root of x.
Wait, I said C.
Oh, okay. I thought you said D. Sorry.
No, I said C.
Now let's see if any of these other ones would work. Again, this one's a bit, it's a bit much. Okay.
Yeah.
Before I go any further, can I erase this stuff here to kind of manipulate more of them?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And I am recording this. It'll be on my website if you need to go back.
Okay.
So let's check this one. What's the power of 8 that I don't see? I put a little power there. What is it? A power of?
Wait.
1?
Huh? Oh, 1.
Okay. And then let's rewrite them in exponential form. 8 to what power?
1.
1 over 3. And x to what power?
4 over 3.
Okay. Now we already did this one earlier. Do you remember when we did this?
Yeah.
And we took an x out and it was x
Yeah.
root of x? Okay. 8. What's 8 to the 1/3 become? The cube root of 8?
Wait, what do you mean?
Right here. The cube root of the 8 to the 1/3. Do you agree it becomes 8 with the index of 3 and the power of 1?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. From that to that. And what is the cube root of 8?
2.
2. And 2 to the 1st power is just 2.
2. Yeah.
Is that the same as letter C? 2x cubed, sorry.
No, it's not.
It's not.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we already said D was not. And
Yeah.
what about the last one? How would I rewrite that one?
You do 2 to the 1st power times. Wait, what did you distribute that to? Or no, there's no power, so you want to distribute it.
We are going to distribute the index.
Oh, it'd just be 2x to the 3/4, right?
4/3?
No, to the 4/3.
Yes, and the 1/3 as well, because that index does go to both of them.
Yeah.
And is that the same as what we came up with?
Yeah.
Is it? We came up with 4.
Oh, no.
No.
No, yeah, no.
Okay, so then our two answers are A and C.
Yeah, that one was confusing.
That one was. I'd put a star
Yeah.
by that one. That one is definitely one that does take a while. It's a multi-layered problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Any others from this page?
No, I'm good.
Nick, any
Yeah.
questions?
No, I'm okay.
You're okay? Okay. Unit 9, Cooper, have you started Unit 9 yet?
No, this is the one I haven't. Oh, wait. Yeah. Wait. I skipped the very first page
Uh-huh.
and then did the second page front and back of Unit 9.
Okay, so do you have any questions?
Yeah. Cause like I kind of remember how to factor the ones where it's like let's say like number or letter L. It's like the
You remember how to do that one, or that's the kind you have question on?
well, like I feel like I remember how to do those, but I couldn't like. Isn't
Remember?
you figure out the factors of 45 and then how those are gonna be the
Yes, but remember the first thing we do on any problem is look for a what?
oh GCF
And what's the GCF here?
5
5. And it's not just 5, it's 5 what?
5A.
5A.
Okay.
And then that leaves you with A squared plus,
Oh, you asking me?
yes,
Oh, sorry.
it's okay.
A squared plus 6.
6A, right?
Yeah, 6. Yeah, 6A.
Plus
9A.
9A
No,
or just 9?
Just 9. Just 9.
Just 9. And then now you can do your double bubble, guess and check.
So both of them would be X plus and then X plus, right?
Yep. And then what are the factors of 9 that would add up to 6? 1 and 9 or 3 and 3?
3 and 3.
3 and 3. And then that's where you would do your check. And it does work. So this here is your answer. And the way you would write that is 5A, A plus 3 quantity squared. If you left it
Yeah.
like this, that would be okay. That would be perfect.
Okay. All right. So yeah, I pretty much remember how to do that one.
It was just the GCF part.
Yeah.
How about letter J?
Yeah, I was just about to ask that. Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember what that one's called? There's two terms. There's a minus sign, and they're both perfect squares. We had a special name for that.
Oh. It was like sum of 2 squares or something?
Something like that. You're right. It was difference of two
Oh,
squares.
difference of 2 squares. Yeah. Not sum. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how. I don't know how that triangle ended up there. I really don't. Okay, it's gone. Okay, difference of two squares. So difference of two squares was the one where it was still double bubble,
Yeah.
and one sign was plus and one sign was minus.
Yeah.
And then we did the square roots. What's the square root of 9x squared?
3. Wait. 3x.
3x. And what's the square root of 25?
5.
5. And that's your answer. That's it. You can't write
Right
this
there?
one. Yeah, you can't write this one as
Oh yeah.
yeah. Do you remember it?
Yeah. I got that one right. Because yeah, oh no, I didn't get that one right.
Does it
Yeah,
make
that's what I
sense
forgot
now?
to do. Yeah, that was one I didn't do.
Okay, so go back to letter H. Now that you saw this one done, what would the answer be for letter H?
Wait, but for letter H, they don't have a x isn't a perfect square though, right? Or is it
X
or is it
squared
x?
is. The x
Or x
squared,
squared, the perfect square is just x.
yeah.
So it'd be like plus minus, and then in the left side of the it'd be x and x, yeah.
Mhm.
And then 6 and 6.
Yep.
All right. Is there any more like that?
Mhm.
Oh yeah, like
I didn't see any more like that, but how about
M?
letter I? Oh yeah, M is kind of like it. M is a combination. You do GCF first. What's your GCF?
2.
What does that leave you with? X squared minus
Oh, 9.
9. And then now it's a difference of 2 squares. So what would it be?
Wait, real quick question.
Mhm.
Wouldn't in the parentheses, wouldn't it just be x instead of x squared since the 2 is on the outside?
Yeah, but you just took the 2 out, not an X. So if you were to distribute.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And then minus 9.
And
So
then what
it'd
would
be. So now we're doing now are we doing dots?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So it'll be x. Would it be x plus and x minus or no?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then 3 in both of them?
Yep. And that there is your answer.
Okay.
Okay, how about letter I?
Is it, I feel like I got this one wrong, but is it y plus 2 and then 5y plus 1?
Let's check it. How can you know if you got it right or wrong? Do you remember what the check work was? Did you do that already, or do you kind of do that in your
No.
head now?
I didn't do that.
You just threw the numbers out there, or did you check it in your head, or how did you get those numbers?
Well, no, I did the where you find the
factors of 2 and the factors of 5?
of pi.
Or no, I got them from Vegas.
Yeah.
What do you mean the factors of pi?
Right here, you put y times 5y. Why did you put right there are the factors of 5? 1 and 5 are the factors of 5.
You think pi or 5?
5.
Oh, yeah. Because
Let me ask you this, Cooper. Why did you pick this one instead of 5y plus 2 times y plus 1? Like 5y times y is still 5y squared. 2 times 1 is still 2. How did you know which one to use? Did you just throw this out there and left it, guessed it? How did you do it?
wait, why didn't I do the top one?
Yes. This is the one you did. Why didn't you do
Yeah.
the top one?
I don't know. I'm confused. Well, because y times 5 is, because isn't it just the same thing but in a different order?
Yeah, so how do we know which one's right? That's the question.
I don't know.
Okay, so what you do, 2 choices. You can do your double distribution. That's where you remember double distribution is where you do that and that and that.
Yeah.
So you can do that, which is okay. It takes a little bit longer. Or the shortcut that I showed you guys was where you do the inside outside. What's 2 times y?
2y.
2y.
Yeah.
What's 5y times 1?
5y.
And then you add those together. What's 5y plus 2y?
7y.
And is that the middle term?
No.
No, so then that's not the right one. You do have to check this one though. What does the inside give you? What's 2 times 5y?
10y.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then plus. Oh, that's what you're. Yeah, and then plus 1y.
Yes, so that is what I was
11y.
asking. And-
Yeah, I thought you meant like, how did I get those numbers? And I was like, because. Yeah. Okay, I get it.
Okay, you've got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, it's not necessary. I mean, it is necessary to check, but maybe you were checking and didn't even realize it. Is that what you were saying?
Yeah, pretty much. Because
Okay.
I did it in my head.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. All right. Any others?
No, because K is pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Would that be a quantity squared?
Yes.
Okay. X minus 7.
Yep.
Okay.
And letter G is just like the one we did.
Letter what?
Letter G is just like letter I.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good on this page.
Oh, you know what? I fibbed. Letter G is not like letter I. It's more like letter L. What would you do first?
Wait, do you mean letter G? Because letter G is kind of like letter I.
It's a little different because you have to do what first? Same thing we did on letter L.
Oh, GCF.
GCF.
Yeah.
You've got it from there?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I'm good on that page.
Okay. And the next page?
Oh my gosh, number 3, I didn't understand. I could not get that one.
Okay. Number 3 is, it's just the way it's asking. What they're pretty much telling you to do here is simplify this side, and then I would ignore everything else. So you have this.
Huh?
You have 2 parentheses, 4x plus 3 times 3x plus 5. So we're just working with this side right here. And do you remember when I did it in class, I told you you could distribute the 2 first, but I always suggested to double distribute this first and leave the 2 alone?
Yeah.
Okay, so
So
what
it'd
would
be
that
like
give? 12?
2 parentheses, 12x squared, plus 15.
And then keep going.
Oh yeah, you got a double. Yeah, okay. Oh, so I messed up.
On what you told me or what you have on your own paper?
No, what I told you, right?
No. The part you told me was right. It's 12x squared plus 15.
Okay.
That part is right.
Plus, plus 20x.
9x, because you're doing 3 times 3x.
Oh, I'm confused on the order that you distribute.
We're right here right now.
No, yeah, I know. So you start out with 4x times 3x, which is 12x squared.
Mm-hmm.
And then shouldn't
4x.
you do?
And so that's not 15. I'm sorry, you did mess up.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't even catch it. Plus what?
Yeah. So plus 20x.
And it's 20x, okay. And then plus 9x plus what?
Yeah. Plus 15.
There you go.
Yeah, because I did the 15 like way early.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we combine like terms. What does that give us? 12x squared.
12x squared plus 29x plus 29x plus 15.
And now distribute the 2.
14.
24.
Or 14. Sorry, 24. 24.
Okay.
Not 14. 24 squared plus 58 x plus 30.
Okay. And now we're going to compare that to this. Blank x squared plus 58x, that's our checker right there.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah, so it'd be 24.
So 24 goes here, and what goes in the last blank?
30.
30. There you go.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it was that easy.
Yeah, it's just the way it's worded, the way the problem is set up. But that's why I was telling you to ignore the right side, work out the left side, and you can go from there.
Yeah. Okay. I see.
You got it?
And then I'm good on the rest of this page.
All right. Any questions on any other part of the packet from you either, Nick?
No, I'm good.
Maybe I'm just looking.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm gonna look up in unit 12. Or 12. Wait, is there even a unit 12? Oh, yeah.
11 and 12 are combined. Yeah. Oh, no, I lied. 10, 11, there is a 12.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Yeah, it's like one page.
Yes, that one there.
Um.
And I believe I told you guys to cross out 6. Is that correct?
Yeah, I crossed it out.
Yeah.
I remember how to. I have a question. I remember how to do, or like, because I watch videos on how to do the one where it's like if it's in a described angle, you just double it for the arc.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, like on number 3, the arc outside of like 32, that would be 64.
This piece right here. Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, it was like delayed.
No.
That'd be 64. And then all you do is 156 plus 64 and then 360 minus whatever that is.
Yes.
Okay, I'm good on that.
How about number 2? Do you have that one okay?
BKG. Yeah, I'm good on that one.
Yeah, they're asking for this arc all the way around here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good on that.
Okay.
Victoria,
Yes.
look at this.
What happened?
I split my chin open.
How?
Oh, God.
Working out?
Oh,
I
God.
agree with you, Cooper. Oh my goodness gracious. What did you do? Were you working out?
I was running stadiums.
And you tripped?
No, my foot got caught in the like little gap area in the stadiums, and my chin went into cement.
Oh.
Wait, was it with Deshaun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
was pretty tough.
Did you
Look at
have
this
to
dog.
go in? Did you go in?
Did I go in?
Like to get stitches or anything?
Nope.
You just roughed it out?
Yeah.
Ugh, let's see it again.
All right, hold on. Let me change it back on again.
Ugh. That is grody.
That actually, it didn't hurt that bad, to be honest.
Yeah. That's painful. Ugh. Are you still working out, Nick? Still going to the gym?
I'm working out right now as we speak.
Cooper, what is that? Who is that?
Michael Scott, baby.
Oh, goodness. You're funny. Okay, so do you guys have any other questions?
I do not.
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Okay, I will be back on Monday of next week, going over more questions. Nick, make sure you get working on it. And also, remember the turn-in date, Cooper? When was the turn-in date that you had mentioned?
May 22nd.
May 22nd. And what else? Oh, videos. Have any of you guys watched the final review videos that I have online?
There's final review videos?
Yeah.
For this?
Yep.
I did not know that. Okay. I'll go watch those.
Yeah, if
Did
you
you
watch them, It's what I worked out with my Math 2 classes last year, but it's the same problems. So if
Okay.
you go on there, you can hear students talking in the background, but it's the same stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Kematot, do you
All
have
right.
any questions? I know you can't talk, so if you'll just throw us in the chat if you have any questions before we dismiss.
Miss Torres, I tell you I caught a fish. Like the other
No.
day
You went fishing?
Where? Where?
at Favor.
Watch this. I'm about to go through.
Yeah.
Watch.
You guys are too much. Nick, do you fish often, or is this like just starting?
No, I try to fish often.
Good for you. Do you go with your dad? Oh, Cooper, you fish as well?
I fish. I live on Woodward Lake, so I fish all the time.
Do you really?
Cooper's a big fisher.
Watch.
Huh. I did not know that. Kematot, yes, the school is open the 22nd for you to turn your packets in. And it's also open the 21st and the 22nd for you guys to do textbook returns. Okay?
Wait, school is open the 22nd?
No, not open for like classes, just to turn your stuff in.
Okay.
Okay. So
Look
Cooper,
at that fish.
something
Look
new
how
about
big
you.
that is.
What was that? Oh, there you go. Are you cooking a fish?
No. This is a big fish. I throw them all back.
Oh,
But-
okay.
Because on the lake you can't keep them.
Oh, you just fish for fun and then throw them back?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I learned something new about you, Cooper. I did not know you were a fisherman.
Yeah. Here, watch. Look at this catfish. This thing is huge.
Look, our rod's right there.
Oof. So how do you guys share your pictures? I don't know how to do that. What do you do?
Well,
You press more,
yeah.
then you go to virtual background, then you can pick like 3.
Okay, wait.
It might just be easier on the phone.
Oh, is that what it is?
But try to click more. Click more.
Where's the more button?
Yeah.
At the
see, it's
bottom
like-
or the top?
for mine's bottom right.
Okay, I see it. Let me stop recording first.
Yeah.
Look at this.